This is your homework, Larry.
Don't you know you lost my love? See what happens, Larry?
Bruh.
Tell you why. Oh no. Tell you why there's no love. Baby, I'm not cool enough. For what we have between us. Don't you know you lost my love? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Bruh.
Hey, Traders. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have y'all here. Just a Wednesday, man. A Wednesday. Let's just call it Whipsaw Wednesday, because yesterday everything dumped, and today everything pumped. Just about, right? S&P 500, that big red bearish engulfing candle. No, it wasn't the bearish engulfing candle. I have dubbed it officially the bullish bamboozle candle. All right, that's what we got across the markets, man. Sorry, man. This lighting. Gotta get a curtains for that. But anyway, we're just starting the stream with Link. Why not? It's up 20+% on the day. There wasn't much of a structure here, man. You know, whatever. You're above. Look at this $15 psychological resistance. You broke it. You back tested it as support. and now you're trying to engulf. You're trying to get yourself a break, hook, and go off of a psychological resistance. Yeah, Chad Link. Not Chain Link anymore, it's Chad Link. So, hidden bullish divergence was extremely real. I mean, it ended up happening. Yeah, look, where you make a low on price, and you make a much higher low on price with much higher levels, negative momentum, impending price action, continuation in the upside. Well, there you go, dude. You got it. TA respected in that regard. But it's like not just Link that's been showing hidden bullish divergence. It's been all across the markets, man. All across the crypto sphere. Or KNC was showing it. Ethereum's very promising looking stuff on Ethereum, assuming Bitcoin stays above 11,463. Everything's going to work out fine. Man, we're back above the Three Gorges Dam resistance. Remember, we fell below it yesterday? We're back above it, man. Price action we got. Pretty insane. All right, so if this doesn't just crap out anywhere where it could, if it doesn't crap out, you could see $20. I mean, that's the next psychological resistance. Remember how it all started? $5. What could have you break $5? Well, you've been consolidating for like a year at this $5 area, like, you know, up, down for a year. When you break it, you could see $10. Well, you almost got there. You got to $9, corrected for, I don't know, like a week. And you finally got to $10. And what happened when you broke $10? You went up. You almost got to $15. You got to $14.43, then you pulled back. And now you broke it and hit it today for the first time. All right, so you could run up, see $18, $19, correct for a while, and then maybe eventually see 20 or not. All right, remember, we're in outer space. I can't really help you. Mission control. You are millions and millions of miles away from Earth right now. So good luck on your adventure. All right, Bitcoin. I don't know, man. Just drawing lines, just screwing around. Really, this doesn't matter much. I mean, look, it's almost like Ethereum where you got upsloping support maybe, disregarding the scam wick, one here, the next one, and then you get some touches here. Right, it's too much chop. It's not much of a pattern at all because of all the chop and the scammy wicks and stuff like that. But I do want you to see the price action correlation to the trend line, to the channel. Let me just get rid of this real quick. It's so ugly, dude. It's just no point. That's why I haven't been doing anything with it. But look, man. All right. So first off, on the daily, did traders settle up ever below this old resistance now being used as support? I mean, I'm talking like yesterday or today. Not once did traders settle up below it. And at some point, right? At some point, when this negative momentum begins to wane on the daily, all of a sudden, hidden bullish divergence and pending price action continuation the upside on the daily for Bitcoin. So it could begin at any point, right? I mean, some selling came in yesterday, but buyers came in today with everything else. Gold, silver, it all bounced, but then ended up selling off a little bit. But dude, I want you to see the 4-hour correlation to this trend line is nuts. God, dude, I'm on the microphone. Look at this, dude. It's friggin' ridiculous. And I'm talking, it's like pinpoint accurate touches. These touches down here, man, 1 and 2. Mikey B up in the chat, let's go.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Mikey. Welcome to the Patreon. Holy crap, chat. You don't know. We're sitting at 518 patrons now. 518, all-time highs. Thank you so much. Like, seriously. I'm really hoping people are using the Patreon to invest in themselves. That's the real reason you join. Though, yeah, extremely nice trade setups. Yeah, awesome. Come on, man. You can't be relying on someone forever. You got to rely on yourself in life. That is what it's about, man. That's what the Patreon is. Invest in yourself. Learn how to do this so you don't have to rely on me. Though, yeah, that'd be a good checkup for you, check mark for you. You know, if you like, you're drawing the patterns, you're identifying the setups, and then you need help and guidance on that, fine. That's how we do it, though. That's like, I'm a guiding light through your journey of learning this crazy foreign world. Pretty much Greek. It's pretty much Greek. Different language. So thank you, Mikey B. Please invest in yourself. Join the Patreon, or sync up your Patreon to the Discord.
589 members on the horizon.
Never gonna happen, dude. I mean, there's no way. I don't think there are enough people that exist that care about swing trading, TA, and stuff to get us there. But hey, man, I said the same thing about even seeing 300 patrons, or 400, or even 500. So probably not, but we'll see. All right, so the price action on that trend line is so insane, dude. Look at this. Now, never once on the daily nor 4 hour did you have one candle close. Traders settled up below that trend line. It was tested again, tested again, tested again. These are 4 hour candles. Each candle represents 4 hours. And tested again. Look at the price action and look at where traders settled up. Most important thing. And you recovered. That is extremely good, man. That's not bearish. That's bullish stuff. Someone had the idea. Matthew D also, but he did it after. But it was Caillou Zero who messaged me about the cipher, and he used anchor. See, I was using this wick down here, but he was just using like the first wick, one of these after the scaminess. And yeah, it was right at the 786, and it reversed, but you had no edge, right? So maybe what could happen is we sell off again and get like a higher low or the same low, and maybe we have divergence or something. But at this point, man, like the way the altcoins are just all showing this hidden bullish divergence, man. We could be seeing some more bullish behavior soon. Yo, hop in the chat, let's go. I thought you were already a patron.
Is that a join?
Might be another BR. Thank you, dude.
Bruh.
Wow. Really, really appreciate it, dude. That's 519 now. Yes, sir. 519 patrons. Invest in yourself. Okay, Bizica, that's you, dude. Well, Bizica, you brought it to my attention first. I mean, look, dude, again, like, it might be right. You have a harmonic or something, but you don't want to be in those situations having to guess, because market participants around the world are also guessing too, right? And so this is the same thing with Fibonacci with scam wicks and stuff. You know, but you don't really know. And so those are the best, just hands off. Don't worry about it. Look for the next one. Look where let there be no doubt to market participants around the world where an anchor point for a harmonic should be. Right here, half the people were like, yeah, and other people are like, no, yeah, it's here. And that's just not ideal conditions for the trader, right? When we don't have ideal conditions, we just move on. We just keep on moving, dude. All right? Oh, TT Pay. He's the riot guy with, like, whatever, lots of leverage. Seems like he got stopped out or just whatever. Thanks, TT Pay. Well, there's the 499 super chat. Appreciate it. So at least we know he's out. Feels good, man. I'm losing sleep over you viewers, gambling like that. Kind of crazy. All right, so. No message, dude? All right, cheers. Yeah, Bitcoin. So as we talked about, right, a little education on if there is any kind of wickiness, scaminess, and you might be trying to, it's around where you're trying to form your harmonic or create it with X anchor point. Move along, sir. All right, so here, remember again, chat, just to reiterate, right? You're like here, some people are busy, they can only be here. Look what's happening on the weekly. This is extremely good right now. You're above the Three Gorges Dam resistance. You're above it, not below it. You were yesterday. But all we have to do in the next 4 days is just close above 11,463, and mostly everything will probably work out. All right, we're getting a breakout for the first time ever as of Sunday evening, and now we're getting a back test of that historical major breakout. So churn along. All right, so are we going to just back test and close the week like this, or are we going to be much, much higher? That's always possible too, right? You can get a break and a hook, and then you can get a break, hook, and go, which is like it would close like this, and we get a big engulfing candle next week. But again, you can get a break and a hook, and that's it. You never get the go, because the hook acts as the go as well. It's a big candle, man. This is the weekly. All right, so very good. We're back healthy, where we need to be again, where we weren't yesterday. And that's what I'm saying, right? What was the whole message yesterday of the sermon, dude? Not really. It's just, what are you worried about? Look at the weekly when you're scared, dude. When moves like this happen in crypto, look at the weekly. It'll set you free. Your stress will lower. Things will get better, man, all right? And they have. They certainly have across the markets. All right, let's go to Ethereum now. Up almost 2%. But look, man, I'm really liking the way Ethereum is right now. Though I get it, different interpretations. Someone could anchor wicks here, and then it's a descending triangle. I don't think you can make it a descending triangle, really. If anything, it would be symmetrical. But to me, it's like sell wall at $400 to $406. What did we do yesterday? $366.83, $367. What is that? You see this, right? Are you seeing this, man? We touched it August 7th. We touched it twice yesterday, 2 times. You zoom out, you go to the weekly, what we do, right? What happened? You majorly back tested again the June 26th high of 2019. You back tested it as support. Look, 2 weeks ago, Ethereum broke that. Last week, back tested it, held it as support. This week, back testing it again, holding it as support. Wow. It's pretty serious. So that's good, right? When things were once major resistance are now support. Okay. So you like that. But it's not, I haven't even talked about what I love so much about this. I love the fact that, all right, we had this buying climax August 2nd, a couple Saturdays ago. You sold off. You traders settled up at that low point, 361, all right? And then we have August 7th, where we sold off, and when traders settled up at like 374. What is that? That's a higher low than the previous low. Good. But now what's happening? Ran up, not enough bids came in, you Bitcoin, you sell off. But what is going on, dude? You could argue and say this is like a potential double bottom, but the fact remains that traders settled up at 374 August 7th. Guess where traders settled up yesterday? 377.46. Shh, very quiet, sneaky accumulation, double bottom. So what's happening? You've got like a low that is higher than the previous low, and now you're getting somewhat of a confirmation low that, the bottom is in, right? And to me, that kind of looks the way it's developing. And what I really love about Ethereum too right now on the 4-hour is the fact that it's undeniable that no matter what way you look at it, whether you look at this as a double bottom, a higher low, or maybe it's either one of the two, you have either bullish divergence or bullish convergence on the MACD, and or you have hidden bullish divergence on the RSI. Both of these things imply upside next, not downside, upside. Not only that, one more thing. A textbook bullish pin bar. Technically bullish pin bar engulfing candle reversal. And again, where did the bullish pin bar engulfing reversal occur? At weekly overhead resistance, which is now acting as support. Your negative momentum is waning. You're getting closer to positive Momo again, so meaning the bulls might have the ball again soon, only if Bitcoin allows it. So that was me right here. All the stuff that I said, this is an argument I have created for why Ethereum looks pretty good right now. You notice how I didn't talk about Ethereum's project or Ethereum 2.0 or, what Vitalik Buterin had for breakfast this morning. Nope. No speculate. It's just the charts, man. That's all it is here. It's literally it, dude. Macro uptrend, major uptrend, of course. So just think about if you're watching other people, other streamers, are they providing an argument like this? How are they presenting their argument? Because so many people become new to this market because of the price action, and they're very impressionable. They don't really know who to believe, what credibility is, or how an argument is even contrived in this space. And so they start listening to Trevon James talk about BitConnect and all that, and they lose their house, right? Whatever happens. So just be careful out there when you're watching others in this space, because there's a lot of scamminess out there. I just want you to protect your capital. You work so hard for your money, why not hold on to it? Why lose it? Okay, what's up, Raymond? Good coffee, Irwin coffee, man. Hope y'all like my shirt too. I don't know, I wore it before, but I love this shirt, man. Some people will get it, some won't. Alright, it looks like a lot of Pepe mugs are coming in now. Very cool. Lots of Pepe mugs. Unfortunately, those are discontinued merchandise pieces, but it happens.
Can you do your magic on IoToust, please? Thank you.
What's up, Jurgen, dude? Thanks for the 549 pounds super chat.
As the wise Pharrell Williams once said, shake your moneymaker like somebody about to pay you. I see you on my radar. Today was a good day.
Thank you, Jeffrey, dude, for the 5 super chat. Sorry, man, we got just kind of having issues over here with audio levels. I don't think anyone can hear anything, dude. Maybe better now? I know what I'm gonna do. Let me pull this up and then turn it down here. Should be better. Alright, IOTA. IOTA, man. You don't even want me to go to IOTA, because I'm just gonna, we're gonna maybe get effed up with some education here. But it's not really, it's whatever, dude. IOTA, man. 38.71 cents. You tested it, you have to rust it through it, and you failed. Now he's showing hidden bullish divergence. Certainly hidden bullish divergence on IOTA, man.
Is that a joint?
It might be, dude.
Is that a joint?
It might be. Yeah, a lot louder now. Perfect. Thank you, dude. Oh my god, I got lightning alerts. Hold on. Let me save real quick. I might lose all the work I did today. Okay, sweet. So going back to IOTA real quick. So this is why, man, well, I guess like when this was developing, it was, Tron was doing the same thing. It was like identical. All right, so IOTA is a major uptrend, of course. Major uptrend, and starting to leg up now. Like the demand is overwhelming. You're starting to go parabolic, and this happens sometimes, or a lot of times in crypto. So you had a beautiful, what is this pattern, chat? Anyone know what this pattern is? It's a two-sided answer in a way. So let's hear what your answers are, because I'd like to hear both of them, or one of them, or the other. Let's hear it, chat. Well, I mean, hold on, I'm not going to say anything. Yeah. So yes, y'all, most of y'all are right. Y'all are wrong. So the first answer is the bear shark pattern. 113% retrace PCZ. The Jesus, dude. No higher. Just perfect. Sold off. Where to go? From the low point to high point. It retraced 50% of the way. And so when the bear shark hits a 50% retrace, all of a sudden it morphs and turns into another harmonic. I mean, the way this really is not X, A, B, C, D. In a shark, it's always 0, X, A, B, and then D is C. And the 50% retrace mark is actually D. That's the entry for a long position. The context, if you're showing a bear shark and an overwhelmingly bullish trend, 50% retrace, you could be kings, and you certainly were right at it and no lower. Look at what's happened since the PCZ of the bullish 5-0 was achieved. Unreal. Unreal.
Crude Bilyonic tipped $21.02. Hey bro, could you check out Wall Chain? Lamb fundamentals and macro look strong. Could rally high. Look like link at $2. 0.00181864 BTC.
Yeah, Nick, sure, man. We'll look at one chain. Thank you, dude. Okay, so that's just like hindsight stuff, but again, like it's only because I wasn't paying attention to it. There are too many other assets that had opportunities anyway. You know, like look, dude, look at IOTA, burn that in your mind, and then you look at Tron. Right, this is the one. This is me right here, like saying, hey man, we walked you through it. It was like, you're at it, okay, well we hit the 50% retrace. You went down, hit like a 55% retrace. Pretty much back tested the old resistance as support. And yeah, dude, like look where it went. It exceeded the 1618, and it's like pivoting. Look, hidden bullish divergence on Tron right now. Yeah, barely, but it's real. A low and a slightly higher low with much higher levels of negative momentum. That is implying impending price action continuation of the upside. Tron Connect. All right, so IOTA, Tron, beautiful bear sharks that turned into bullish 5-0s. You couldn't be any happier, man. You just can't be. One more patron until 520. Yeah, dude, who's going to be 520? Who's going to invest in themselves and wants? Hey, you want to learn shark patterns? These are like the most reliable patterns that exist. Harmonics are like the Jesus of swing trading and position trading even. So if you want to learn more about this stuff, join the Patreon is the best way to do it. We have like too many patrons that would attest for that too. So, okay, let's see. What was the request next? Maker, shake your money, Maker. Yeah, Maker, dude. Killed it, man. Look at this thing up like 20+% today. To Jesus. This one, we found the bottom on it. It was like potential double bottom into bullish Gartley that turned into another potential double bottom that we had a fake out that turned into an inverse head and shoulders. We broke out and then mooned and then sold off and then back tested the top of the bullish Gartley that was once resistance as support for a double bottom with you had hidden bullish divergence on the first test that got you that run up, and you sold off one more time, and you didn't really have any kind of classic divergence or anything right here, but you had a confirmation low off the old resistance as support. You ran up, potential double bottom, you broke out, you eventually hit that 100% measured move of the structure, you sold off right back to back test the neckline as support, and you went sideways for the longest time, and now today just moon, all right? Just beautiful. But who cares about this chart? This was like swing trader stuff, all right now. But the way we've been looking at Maker, if you're an older viewer or you watched the stream before all this crazy price action, you remember the Bitfinex chart that we had plotted, where it was the weekly. It's gorgeous, dude. It's absolutely amazing. Where if you ever break 850, you could be off to the promised land. You could be gone, dude. You could literally go up to over $1,000 if $1,500 if Maker breaks out. This is a weekly chart. We knew eventually you could get to the top again, and you were here now. So you just need to be cognizant if you're watching the stream. You just know the top of the trading range technically is like $850. If you break it, you could moon, man. You really could. So I just want to bring that up. Someone tipped. It wasn't really a request. It kind of was, but you get it. It was a funny pun. All right, let me. Dollar General broke out today too. What? Nick, man, thanks for the crypto contribution, Bitcoin. I didn't notice that. Thank you for that. I love crypto contributions, man, right? Because I never sell them because they just stay there. So if you want me to have more crypto, my overall net worth, whatever it is, you want it to increase as crypto, that's the way to do it, man. All right, so big time resistance. You're at it. Wow, Wan Chain, dude. Look at this. This is pretty awesome. Okay, pretty simple. I love how simple this chart is. Wan Chain to BTC. Right, range. Wyckoff. Probably accumulation stuff. Look, this You had a spring. You can't look. You sprung and you back tested the spring for a little while. It's good price action. Then the higher low, you never tested it again. That's really good stuff. And then here, just the 3rd of August on the daily, you showed some incredibly good looking hidden bullish divergence in the end. Impending price action continuation the upside. If we looked at it, if you request Won chain to BTC before it moons, then this is the analysis we'd be giving you. So what do you want me to do now? Won chain's up today 11.69%. Yesterday it was up probably another 10%. So if you ever break this 36.65 to 39.91 range, the top of the range, I mean, you could do Fibonacci. Local trader settled up back here. 6,025 seems adequate. It would be like almost 100% measured move of the range. Roger Beers, man, I'm in the chat. Let's go. Thank you, Roger D.
Is that a join?
Welcome. Number 520. People already eyeballing 589. No way it happens, dude. No way. I think if we got 589 patrons this month, I would do a shirtless stream for sure. Like, no doubt. That's how confident I am. We will not see 589 patrons. All right. And we'll devote the entire stream to XRP, Caldwell. All right, so you get it. I mean, if you will probably, there's a local high here you probably have to worry about. Right there, 4608. Also, even if you do break out, that's going to be there. But after that, you're thinking 6,000 sats on One Chain Connect. All right, let's go, dude. Can we moon? We're good. We good. All right, so let's go to the S&P 500 real quick since we got those requests out of the way. Holy crap, chat. We're like 5 points away, maybe, from all-time highs. It's friggin' beautiful, dude. We were even closer. I got all these alerts set up here, man. Did not want to miss it. Had a little slight pullback, power hour. But 33.92, dude. Look left. 33.92. We need to be real pinpoint accurate while we're here. All right, I'm one here, right where traders settled up. Okay, it's 33.90, and then you got right here, 33.93. So it's like the highest high intraday and the highest high where traders ever settled up, right? 33.90. So you were just slightly below that, man. Dylan Harrington, I'm in the chat. Let's go.
Is that a join?
Thank you, Dylan, dude. Really appreciate it. Yeah, dude, just be sure, like, if you join the Patreon, like, sync up your Patreon to the Discord, join us in the Patreon Discord chats. There's, like, that's where the value's centered, right? Patreon's, like, we're using it for, like, a payment processor and all their cool integrations with other third parties that we have to have. But Patreon is, I mean, the website, forget it. They just think, like, hey, I'm joining the Patreon, okay. But all the value, like, everything's in the Discord, okay? So pretty much like Patreon was meant for, like, anime girls to do their cosplays, and then people pay like $5 a month for the cosplay. That's kind of what it was meant for. And so, like, we have to tailor it on our own end to work for us, and that's why everything's on Discord, okay? Okay, so, man, can you even believe it, dude? Can you believe that we're at, like, the second highest levels of all time on the S&P? After all this terrible stuff's happened, millions unemployed still. I mean, the world, in a way, has shifted forever because of this pandemic. We're still in it. And we're about to break out to all-time highs. And there could be price discovery after that, if you could even believe it, man. Leading up to the election. So who's the top gainer on the S&P 500 today? You could probably take a guess, couldn't you? Lights up, I mean, that's very possible. Gorgeous. And, in the end, hidden bullish divergence now on the 4 hour. I mentioned that early in the stream. Or not in the stream, but Patreon chat, like this morning. when we started going. Well, this is just incredible. You feel the gap today, so you're wondering, is this gonna keep going, dude? Look at this on the daily and log scale, man. It's defying gravity. Well, it's real close here, right? This channel goes all the way back to December 2018. It's been so well respected, and it looked like you were about to respect it again, right, as of yesterday. But then the big old bullish bamboozle candle came in, and we're back outside of this crazy channel. And the 100% measured move based on percentage, you're real close, man. $95. We're talking not price change. It's a 60% measured move. 60% of your value, of what you were worth, right? You're about to do that. So, I mean, like, it's very possible. Like, 7.45% up on the day. Crazy. Crazy gains. And then you got Big Brother Nvidia, which is just the king, man. What did it do today? Another, just like it was the third best gainer on the day, with Qualcomm being number 2. But just a beautiful, beautiful channel. And man, we break this equilibrium level. What happened to my channel, dude? Yeah, it breaks when I go to log sometimes. Well, you did break the equilibrium level of or the heart line of the channel. So, I mean, the next target, dude, on Nvidia is like $500. I mean, it's really 484 because the channel, I think you probably test that top. So well respected. So, 484 and then 500 psychological resistance. Why is this going to stop, man? If the macro remains strong, why is Nvidia going to stop? Unfortunately, yeah, because it's patreon.com, we cannot accept crypto payments for Patreon. They don't allow that. They don't offer that. So, yeah, it's cash. It has to be. Or like credit card or whatever, you know. PayPal. Thanks, TR. Hey, look, everyone. It's Catterday. His mug came in today. He's wearing all his gold because gold tendies. Because, he's been around for a long time. If you've been around in this community a long time, you probably have a really nice position in gold, at least from a low price. So he's just wearing that, showing off. And then look, another one came in, spring roll. Sorry, chat, these don't exist anymore. You can't buy these. We're just showing them off because there was a buying frenzy on them. Okay. So what else? Let's go real quick. One we've been monitoring pretty heavily because it's on the cusp of greatness. Oh yeah, consolidating for too long, man. I mean, 4-year large trading range. I mean, you've been trading for like, 4 years, dude. And then we'll look at it, dude. We'll look here, man. Look at this beautiful candle. It was like a ascending triangle / symmetrical, whatever. Way more of a, ascending triangle.
It's
but dude,
China to me. China.
How is Chinjay looking like?
Thank you, dude. We'll look next. So 100% measured moves, 112.43. What's that? It's a gap fill. A freaking gap fill from November 2019. Look left, man. Look what's so important here. Right here, dude. Oh my God. If you can break this, I think you could see a huge markup in price. Dude, it's like $100 psychological resistance. I mean, you go back to 2016. So think about like buying here on FOMO. And then you got 4 years to go by and you're at it again. So you didn't make anything. But if you reinvest the dividends, you're probably good. But anyway, for the trader, we're seeing extreme amounts upside. If we can break this $100 mark, very close. All right, so just, it's a confirmed candle close on the daily breakout today. First level positive momentum you've seen since July 24th. Not bad. Very good, man. Let's go, dude. Let's go Dollar Tree. Yeah, good old Johnson & Johnson. You want to see something? A beautiful. You talk about range, right? I mean, not much better looking than this. On the stock market for a trading range you've been in. I mean, really started creating it 2017.
Can you look at BNB? Hash future shirtless Mitch.
Dark Day, thanks for the 5 super chat. Oh, dude, no way. Like that's how confident I am. We won't see 589 patrons this month. It's just not gonna happen. So you're not gonna get a shirtless stream. Look, dude. I know some of y'all are looking at it certain ways. I'm just looking at it like this. This is the way I had it, where we had broken out. And we couldn't find enough demand yet. Supply line, dude, or sell wall, all that. You sold off. You back tested that structure as support. You showed 4-hour hidden bullish divergence, and we've rallied from there. Impending price action continuation of the upside. We got it. And now, as of today, like the initial breakout point, we broke it.
Nice tea. Do we have an inverse head and shoulders forming on GE? Seems to be at a nice line. Penny for your thoughts. Kings.
Hudson, we can look. I know there's a harmonic too a smaller harmonic that it's bouncing off its PCZ and it's rallying. I think a down sloping resistance was broken on GE too. We will look, man. Thank you. All right, so big deal, up 1.83%, and this is just I think it's got a lot of upside, where eventually it's gonna see 154 again, and if you stay out this long with all the higher lows, I think you're gonna break to all-time highs. You could eventually see, I mean, come on, $200 maybe on Johnson & Johnson. You got to understand, this is a bullish range that's been in existence and development for 3 years on a bullish asset. This is not a joke, man. We could get huge price discovery stuff. The size of the trading range, 100% measurement, puts you at 184.90. You think this is crazy? Sorry, dude. It's not crazy at all. It's just a long time coming. About time stuff. Can't say you weren't warned on Johnson & Johnson and Dollar Tree, right? Chat. Assuming the macro continues up, which is always a big if. Okay. BNB broke out like a month and a half ago, I think. If you were a patron, you knew because you got pinged every time we were breaking out on BNB. Yeah, you broke out, technically broke out like July 10th, 11th, and then we did it again July 20th. The look left. This right here was so important. What did I tell you? If you were a patron, like back last month, if we break this and hold above this, we could moon. There could be a huge markup in price. That's exactly what's happened. An ascending triangle, a bullish cipher pattern, all these bullish things. 100% measure move's been achieved of the ascending triangle, and then some. 22.49. You went all the way up to 23.51. And nothing really. I mean, this is just like Bitcoin, where it's building negative momentum finally, and when or if it starts pivoting, it could turn into hidden bullish divergence on a very significant time scale, but that just hasn't happened yet. So right now, if anything, you've sold off, and now you're back testing what was once resistance is resistance again from March 6th. So you got to get back above that. We've only merely up-thrusted through it. So get back above that, and eventually you could find yourself at $25. All right. But fantastic, dude. Ascending triangle on BNB that had been posted forever while it was in development has played out. Magnifico. JC Fiscus, you got the mug too? Let's go, dude. It's mug day, I guess, right? National Mug Day. Pepe Mug Day. Oh yeah, fish I did. Really?
Possible no Kappa cup and handle on 4 hours.
Maybe. Wasn't that like a scuffed dragon that turned into Kangs? Hit targets, I think, as of yesterday while everything was dumping. I think we'll look, dude. Yeah, for GE, man, I don't know. Like, I've been holding this thing, just holding it, man. You know why? Right here. Oops. This is why. A colossal sized bullish shark. Found this on a Patreon night a month and a half ago or something, and it went up at a 38% retrace. I think it's like Dragon-esque now. Look,
Do you agree daily bearish divergence on Link? Been here since 2018. I'm up 100% on my BTC thanks to this channel. Thanks Mitch, A-OK.
Tonde Price, thank you so much for the $4.99 super chat. We'll look at Link again, alright, on the daily. You just gotta be careful, right? Because people are gonna be calling bearish divergence too soon, where it's building. And what if it just keeps building on higher prices? It's not maturing, right? You're looking for waning negative momentum. We're getting no waning negative momentum on Link. You're only just hitting all-time highs today again. After a terrible day yesterday, all-time highs today. But really tough, man. Really, really tough on that one. And it's like, and it will be like that if everything remains the same in terms of the conditions of this market, the crypto market. Link is only the beginning. Link is one, and Tezos will end up doing the same thing. A lot of them could end up doing the same thing. Ethereum could end up doing the same thing. Bitcoin could do the same thing. I just hope I think you all do understand like where we are contextually. Bitcoin lets us know why it might just only be the beginning for this space because of where we are on the weekly. You know it, dude, right? We do analysis of it every day. That's how we know this could last for many months, if not a year or more in crypto. If we don't get bamboozled by a fake out, falling back below that Three Gorges Dam for real with confirmation, that'd be terrible. But for now, could just be the beginning. All right, so for your shark, eventually the target's 937 if you're a position trader here. But yeah, I bet money, it's like, look, oh yeah, real nice, dude. Real nice here. Let me show you. This is great. Starting to play the classic bullish divergence on GE. Starting to play out. I think you get the dragon, right? Yeah, it's nice that you could actually see this on the daily, where you broke out today. Or no, I guess it was yesterday you had a candle close confirmed breakout of the dragon, right? The 2 feet, the hump, the spine. The head's kind of weird, but it's okay. Right? You got your lower low. We know wave analysis is a premature harmonic. Your target, I think, if this stands, if you hold above 650 long enough, you're going to see 766 again. I think that's an adequate target. But if you're talking about like the position trader like me, be taking profit at 937 eventually, and it might take a couple months.
We have the best teacher in this biz. Cool face. Suck it. Cream.
What's up, woman army dude? Thanks so much for the 5 super chat.
And other than trading in the zone, what are some other reading?
Go, do you have in the chat? Let's go.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Gohodoshima. Please be sure to sync up your Patreon, the Discord. Join us into Discord. You got to, man. It's mandatory. Wow, dude. So I'm still like, there's no reason for me to ever get nervous because that's 522 patrons. A long way to go. 589 is just not going to happen. Okay, there will not be a shirtless stream. I can almost guarantee that. Me saying that guarantees it. Okay, so. Let me see here what happened. What's the next one? Starting to get backed up on S coins. Oh yeah, I'll see. You get that though? GE Connect, Dragon breakout, at least in the short term and on the daily. It's very nice.
China to me, China.
Andrew Crawford, man, thank you for the 3 super chat. Greatly appreciated. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, so all depends. If the TA is respected, I do believe that eventually 766 again, and then after that 937, because this is a shark, right? A bullish shark. So even if things turn bad again, eventually we see the 50% retrace. And what happens at that 50%? Hey, someone chat, I need your help again. I forgot what happens at the 50% retrace. What develops? What is it again? Someone want to tell me, please? Love to hear your ideas and thoughts on this. It's on you, chat. Josh Robinson, oh my god, I'm in the chat, let's go!
Is that a joint?
Marbob, very close, dude. Very, very close. It's not crypto though, so. Well, I mean, bearish 50. What's a bearish 50, chat? Why y'all keep saying 50? Names do matter. Look, man, nomenclature does matter. Okay, there we go, Fishhead. Thank you. So yeah, you're right. Bearish 50. It's not the 50 though. It's a bearish 50.
Reliability and continuous work. Could you take a look at Tesla, please?
Yeah, Radish, we can. Hey, remember we're talking about on Tesla? Though you're showing the classic distribution, you pulled out the trump card. Elon pulled out the trump card, and we got a 4-to-1 split. Apple, what'd they do? 5-to-1 split or whatever. These are like things that are. How do we keep retail hyped up? How do we keep these prices inflated? Let's pull it out. You remember, like splits are just, I don't know, man. They're just it's illusionary stuff. It's meant for retail. It's meant to get more people to buy the asset because it's become too expensive. So they're doing that. But yeah, we'll look at Tesla, man. Yeah, it's the split gimmick game. Yes. So yeah, bearish 5-0 at this level. We can, if look at the trend, remains terrible like this. This pattern could very well outperform when it gets there. By outperform, it means this, right? Once you get a 50% retrace, bye-bye. And that's why I have position in this, and I'm waiting patiently for 937. Golden zone, get it? Okay. Spent too much time on GE Connect. Let's see. Let me see if I got it still. I do still have it. Let's go, dude. Let's freaking go. Oh, it was so great on RLC too, man. So great. Yeah, look at this, dude. Look at, I mean, it's so fantastic. I'm so glad some of y'all got in on this too.
Hello, mate. Could you offer any insights on LSE, MVR, please? Much obliged. Keep up the great work. Finding your channel very helpful.
Tony Robson, real quick, when did you find me? Let me know, and how did you find this channel? And thank you for the €5 super chat, and thank you for just joining the Patreon, man. Be sure to sync up your Patreon to the Discord, dude. Thank you. So RLC for Fishhead Connect. Too beautiful, man. Someone's like, good, take a look at RLC. It's like, all right, look at this S coin, and it's like, hey, man, here's the idea: a low, a scam wick low. All right, you got a spine, you got the hump, you got the feet, you got the head. All right, it's a dragon. What happened on the dragon? And a potential double bottom too, which is crazy. You know, we had like multiple bullish things going on. Well, you know, you had targets either way. If you were going to size it up as a potential double bottom, that target was hit. If you sized it up like a dragon, those targets were hit. And now we're at pretty much the highs of the day, pumping. Where if you break 195, certainly the first target is 223. The 1272 from the high point of the dragon, the successful dragon, to the low point. Let me let's jump a little bit right there. Perfect. That's how we target on breakouts. Literally nothing here, dude. It's blue skies. All right. So I don't know. You can say cup with handle, man, all you want, but I don't really prefer lower high cup with handles. Those are the weaker ones. I just feel like it's the continuation of price action after a trade is played out. And so if you're talking about a third target here, I mean, obviously the 100% retrace where you're approaching could be one, but if you're being really loose here, dude, like I think you got in on this trade and a few others. Like if you're still in it a little bit, you know what to do. 223 eventually if this keeps pumping. Okay?
Bruh.
Dude, come on. Welfare trade setup done live on stream for you. Because, you know, you're not getting, I mean, it looks like people are getting aids, you know, from the government, but I was just trying to take over that role with some tendies while they figured things out. So good news, man. Seeing altcoins do this still, I mean, it might signify that we're still in a bull trend. Still in a bull trend, man. Not bearish. Trend's our friend. All right, let's go to link again because that was a question someone was asking about this daily bearish divergence. I don't know how you could say daily bearish divergence when you're bullishly engulfing right now at all-time highs. To say bearish divergence anytime you're just hitting all-time highs on the first day, no, I don't think so, man. No, not like this. This is a pretty big impulse candle too. If anything, it was like last thing that happened was hidden bullish divergence that played out like the Jesus man. Behind that too, that shouldn't be visible on the daily. Yep, so same wave, right? In big impulse up, no, same thing, dude. Couple days indecision kings. I would say no. There's no bearish divergence. Though you are very overbought, and then you could reverse at any time. I don't think it would be because there was an easily identified classic bearish divergence. No, I don't think that would be. I think it'd be because you're literally at $15.87 right now in no man's land. I think it might be, if it did reverse violently, it'd be because since March 16th. Well, you know what? Let's go to June. Once we broke $5, July 6th, the highest point. In a 37-day period, Link is up 241.91%. And that's why you might reverse. It's probably going to have nothing to do with any technical. Well, there was exhaustion. There is no exhaustion, dude, on Link, man. This is not exhausted. This is just mooning. Rolando found me through Crown's Crypto Cave. Sweet, dude. Thank you, man, for letting me know. What was Tony's? How did he find me? Did he answer? He may not have answered. I don't know. We screwed. What's up, Art of JR? Yep, Tony, this was also a request, though. Someone requested before you, and they asked about Link, and someone else also requested before you, and that was on Crypto Lionel. Want to know about the euro, which has been, oh my god, dude, amazing. Oh yeah, just hanging around, man. Almost like, yeah, okay, so the euro US dollar. Remember how it all started, dude? Oh, beautiful, dude. You want to learn more about identifying patterns and structures? Join the Patreon and do it. Look at this higher low too, on the 200 moving average to Jesus. And then remember we broke critical resistance, and then the higher low, the accumulation signified what might be coming next. You broke out, back tested, and you're gone. Bull pull, bull flag. Oh yeah. So now what's going, like double top stuff, but all of a sudden, I mean, it's like you're holding support. You're actually showing a very small amount of accumulation on the euro. What? A low, about the same low. It's almost like you had MACD 4-hour divergence. So I guess we would just look at this maybe like a range. That's all we can really do here. Alright, that's kind of like it. So in the dead middle of a range at this point. Almost looks like a dragon. It's just, no, I don't think it's discernible enough to be a dragon. But if it's, like, think about it, I mean, it could go up and see 1.18545, or I get the top of the range, man. So not much of an edge right now. Though you were near the bottom of the range, you're now kind of in the middle of it. So for a trade, which we're looking at 4x, so that's what we're doing, is trying to find trade setups. I don't know if there's much of a very good trade right now, unless market participants are just looking at it like this, and this would be nuts, dude. Right? One bottom. It's like a double bottom continuation pattern. It's like, how the heck does that even happen? Oh, I don't know, man. What, it was a double tops, now a double bottom. What? So if that ever breaks out, you just measure the size of the structure to get a target. If this was to ever break out the upside, there you go, dude. Like, a target's 1.211117-ish. Okay, but dude, it's not. Not really where we're looking for double bottoms, but can't say that these haven't happened before. All right. Wow. Evolution of a Trader by Thomas Bulkowski on Crypto Line. That was a great one. Get that one next. One could if they wanted. Okay, so next request was Tesla. That, of course, this is why we bring up literally both ideas, right? And it played out almost perfectly. I mean, right? It's either you dump or you come and you could test the confirmation line and moon, right? You just extend this out a little bit more, right? There we go. And you do this. And that's probably what very well could happen in time. $2,000 on Tesla, okay? There wasn't an edge. We saw a classic distribution. If it wasn't for the split, if it wasn't for the macro going nuts again today, you could have very well broken this confirmation line of the potential 3 falling peaks pattern. Potential. It was not confirmed. So it was never a pattern, a real bearish pattern. It was close. This is what I'm talking about. This is why we do bring up multiple scenarios, because we don't know. And there wasn't enough of an edge on the market. You can't just have a pattern by itself. Like, that's just a weak argument. You have to have a bearish pattern and the oscillators be on your side, and oftentimes historical support resistances with you. Volume can sometimes play a role. But dude, this is what happens, Larry. You're up 13% on the day after testing the confirmation line. And it's almost like, look, if it's a descending triangle now because you have another touch on the bottom, you broke out of it just as quick as you finally created a descending triangle. As of literally yesterday, you're breaking out of it. Unreal, dude. This is like stupid Rudy Poo. What's up, Mark O'Neill? Right, you just do this. You can see it pretty clearly. But again, it wasn't even an idea of a descending triangle until we... Remember, for triangles, you have to have 2 reaction highs, 2 reaction lows. You can't have only 1 low. So now we do have... So if you were talking about a measured move here, same size structure, right? Consolidation. You just measure like this. So 100% measured move, if it actually is going to play out on this breakout for Tesla... Right here, 1929, but you got to think 2000, 1999, 1980-ish, right near that psychological major resistance, dude, which we'll just mark it now, because, right, whatever. Yeah, dude. There you go. That's Tesla, dude. Another breakout of the upside. Crazy. All right, so now we got MV on the London Stock Exchange. Very nice look, dude. Very nice look on this one. Wouldn't these London Stock Exchange assets look showing some really nice stuff? Now, gotta be careful. The volume here, it's okay. It's fine. You know, 888,000. Volume, average volume past 10 days, 4.8 million. So you're getting an increased average volume. That's good. And you can see some price action. But yeah, you know, why did Tony request this? Because you're showing a higher low double bottom. It's a potential double bottom, right? 1 bottom and 2 bottoms. Let's go, Tony, dude. Confirmation line or the neckline right here. That makes plenty of sense. Your problem is you're kind of well off the lower point. But if this thing actually breaks out, look at, I mean, you got resistance, all kinds of resistance. We're just, yeah, right here. It started right here, September 2019. Boom. So you can see since that was created, look at the price action correlation to it. Look at this. Rejection, 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 oh my God, right? That's it. So even if you break the confirmation line, that's at like 539, at 560, you got, I mean, historically, you've never been able to really break that.
Hey, Mr.
Even when you did one time, look at where you went before you crashed again.
Thanks for all you do.
What's up, BTC Bull? Thanks for the 3s. Yeah, look at Cron, devastated Cron on earnings. Everything getting wrecked except True Leave, man, that's like I'm sorry, like, I'm not gross or inappropriate, but my God, the CEO, I think, of True Leave she is beautiful, dude. Freaking beautiful. I'm not saying that's why their stock price is killing it. Just, it's an observation, man. All right, we trade charts. So, okay, if we did get a breakout, and let's say we got through the neckline, say we got through 560 finally. How can we target? 100% measured move of the breakout of it would be a confirmed double bottom when we get a breakout. For now, it's only a potential double bottom. Remember that. 100% measured move on MVR, London Stock Exchange, is 744, if you can even believe it. I could easily believe it. If we break 560, dude, you're gonna moon, man. Like, look at how many times we've not been able to break it. Good request, dude. Don't forget about MVR, LSE. Thank you, Tony, man. Thanks for support. Really appreciate it.
I want to get a crypto-related tattoo. Any suggestions? Kings.
Yeah. One thing you know that's going to exist when you're on your deathbed is a harmonic pattern. Okay? You know, one thing that may not exist on your deathbed is Bitcoin and any crypto that exists. That's real. That should tell you where we're at. So maybe instead of thinking about getting a crypto-related tattoo, maybe think about getting a TA-related tattoo, because those things are going to be here long after we're gone, all right? And they were here long before we existed. Crypto, not the case at all on either side. It wasn't around before our time, and it may not be around at the end of our time. Now, yeah, I think crypto will still be around, you know, that's here to stay, but we're talking about one, you know, you said crypto-related tattoo, okay? Yeah, be the first person to have a bullish Gartley on your calf or your bicep or something, right? Because we know that's not a scam. We know harmonics will be here forever. Anyway, man. Oh my god, dude. Stop loss. 548. The lowest point for Kron. 555. Really, dude? It's about to get stopped out, right? Well, because the pattern was busted, so, you know, I mean, it does suck, right? It's probably going to get stopped out. And we're talking about that trade or whatever. You know, again, earnings, man. Earnings will kill you, but even if the stop out happens, it doesn't mean it's over for Kron in time. It could be a month or two or more, or you just test this ice line again for a while and you bounce off of it and then you start your rally, your recovery. But we were looking like an inverse head and shoulders. Everything was fine, but then we found out, oh, it's earnings is coming up. Well, that can kill the pattern, so be careful. But God, it's so close to that stop out. Understandable. But yeah, I mean, this is what you look for, though. The swing trader, position trader, you look for stuff like this. It goes through corrections, gets down to critical ice lines from history, and then starts showing levels of accumulation at that ice line and springing, back testing springs, and eventually making higher lows again, forming bullish structures like inverse head and shoulders. So, like, either way, it's still extremely educational. You want to see stuff like this. This is what you want to trade over and over and over again. Forget earnings, because yeah, that would kill things. Yeah, sorry Kronos for sucking and being in an industry that is terrible. Inverse high, right? Inverse is at a joint because, you know, federally illegal still. So I mean, it's gonna be tough for these things to take off. They're still in a correction. Weed stocks are still in a correction, except for True Leave. All right, my God, we got out of the request out of the way. Let's do it, man. Sweet. Thanks for the 1,269 people tuned in. If you're enjoying it at all, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We're just sitting at 444 likes. Meh. You've done a lot better than that, right? Long range crypto, of course, dude. Of course, Nicola's bullish bat is playing out. Yes, certainly. No, I didn't look at gold. We can look at gold right now, though. It's a good idea. It had a rally, then dumped. Yep. No bueno, man. Big bearish engulfing candle, too. Ooh, this isn't good, man. Some technical damage being done, right? So look what happened. We fell below critical previous all-time highs on gold, right? Then we rallied. And now we engulfed in. We're selling off at 1920, right? Was once resistance, is now being regarded as resistance again. But yeah, I mean, no, they're absolutely on the 4-hour. No chance of hidden bullish reversals. Maybe on the daily, but dude, you keep testing 1920 as resistance. You know, that just means that more selling could come in. No edge right now. All right, look at this huge indecision candle after big markdown. I mean, eventually, yeah, daily hidden bullish divergence once the selling stops. But look, you saw that trend line, 1920. You look left, 2011. Right here, dude. Look at our price action correlation to this right here. Look at this. See that? You're below it. Big pullback on gold. It happens. Dang, man. Somehow I've been live for an hour, 13 minutes. Look on the hits on my gut, man. Alright, let's go ahead to Link. It's up 25%-ish right now. Near its highs ever. Highs of its ever.
Hey, check out my Patreon post on Mo. Can you give any thoughts?
Is that a joint?
So Shane, dude, thanks. Oh. Yeah, maybe rising wedge. Yeah, maybe. I had it another way already. Alright, sorry my date. Let me go back. It's visible in the 4-hour. So the daily was great in ascending triangle behavior. Right, where you had quite a lot of accumulation with a sell wall. You finally, you made another higher low. Bullish convergence and broke out. You broke out a few days ago. You have yet to back test the old sell wall. You can see it clear as day, right? So 100% measured move. Well, I mean, I think the target eventually is $50. Yeah, that's target, man. Look, that's great. Look, you're above this ice line too from January 2019. So you stay above that long enough, you're probably going to back test this and all this. You can hold that eventual $50 target in time. Okay? Do I really need to do the measured move here and show you how TA Tetris works? It's pretty crazy. Watch this. I mean, probably close anyway. I have TA Tetris, gap fills, 100% measure move with the structure. What?
Bruh.
Go figure, dude. MO. So here's a link 1657 and still going somehow, up 27.8%. Nay, 28% now. 1663 chat. We're watching Link lead this market. What happens when you break $15 chat? Psychological resistance, blue skies. There's nothing here. It's price discovery. It's like just boom. Right? You're breaking, you're hooking, and you're engulfing. You're getting a break, hook, and go off a psychological resistance. That's insane, dude. Yeah, maybe's the word, Amish. So what are you gonna do with maybe, right? Nothing. So yeah, it's been a decent comeback across the markets, at least a little bit. ONT's up 8.65%. IOTA's up 3%. ICX up almost 7%. Privacy coins up. Each one of them. I mean, Monero's at 1%. No, I'm sorry. Zcash at 1%. Monero up 2%. Dash up over 3%. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Remember, if we get 589 patrons, this month, shirtless streams, we're at 523 patrons now. Still, as a number where I can't even believe it's real life. Okay. Oh yeah, it'd be like shirtless stream, and there'd be a complete XRP stream too. Oh, it sends people to YouTube? Alright, here I'll... Fix up. Alright, let's see if this works. Brad, you tell me. Alright, I'm changing it. It's saving right now. Alright, Brad, give it a shot in the description, okay? Let me know if it works. It's fluid, have the chat, let's go!
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Floyd, dude. Much, much love. Really, really appreciate it. Be sure to sync up your Patreon to the Discord. Hey, man, whatever, Bradford. Comes with it, dude. Comes with it. Let's just draw poll on Link. Why not, dude? God, it's such a who knows? It's such a coin flip at this point. Will Link see $20 before the next weekly close, which is Sunday? That's perfect, right? Yes, no, easy. Will Link see $20 for the next weekly close, Sunday? All right, here you go, chat. Here's your poll. Let's see what y'all say about this. I bet like 90% of y'all say yes. I mean, I don't even know what to vote. There's no edge. It's crazy. You're break cooking going off a $15 psychological resistance, so I gotta say maybe yes. I don't know, dude. Go vote or be destroyed, okay? Okay, it works now. Sweet. Merchandise link works in the description below now, based on evidence of people. Jason said yes. Oh my god. That's bold. You know what I mean? $20 link. It's a stretch. Look, that's a long way, man. It's a long way up there. But I guess if any S coin can do it, it could be Link right now. Better hope for the macro to stay strong. We can check back on the poll. 155 votes so far, so meh. Like well over 1,000 people watching. Not many people are going to participate in the poll. Okay. It's like me doing polls and seeing if there's not much voter turnout. It's like, maybe I shouldn't do polls. Alright, I'll add an alert on link. If we start really going again, man, we're gonna hear the beep. Okay, seeing all-time highs. $26% up, man. It's nuts. So, Mr. Bombase, thank you, dude. Alright, alert is set up on link. Let's go take a look at Tezos. It also has had a pretty stupendous rally. Kind of double topped. I mean, yeah, bearish divergence a lot clearer on the 4 hour here. You better start going. You better rally. You better break 440 and then eventually see 476 soon. Otherwise, yeah, argument for impending price action versus downside could be coming for Tezos. But all you did in reality on Tezos was come and back test what? $3.80. The first profit taking level of the trade. You back tested it as support. You ended up having bullish convergence really in the end. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What pattern is this? What Japanese candlestick is this, chat? Right here. It is textbook. It is textbook. Think about it. Previous highs. You paint a Japanese candlestick at previous highs. Critical thinking. Whoa, man. That's smart. Yep. Tondi? Price? No, that's wrong. What? You said pinball. There you go. Sam T's got it. Bullish pin bar. Thank you, dude.
Bruh.
So people could say hammer, but why it's a bullish pin bar is it has a wick on the top, a small wick on the top. That's textbook, man. A hammer normally, right? The most textbook hammer, they don't have wicks on the top. They can. I mean, again, nomenclatures. There are differences. Like it can't really happen in crypto, but like on stocks, you can get hammers and they're not bullish pin bars. Where like, another like signature of the bullish pin bar is where the candle closes is within the previous candle. So that's what makes this textbook. But if this pin bar was below this previous candle, like in stocks, it would be a hammer. It wouldn't be a pin bar. Okay. So just become learned, man. Bullish pin bar, a little different than the hammer. A little bit. But they can still signify the same thing. The larger the wick, the better. What's up, Ben Grant? Thanks for the 5 super chat.
Bruh.
What was it again? We'll look at V-Chain. Yeah, sure.
V-Chain doing things.
Chris Carlone, having the chat. Let's go.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Thank you, Chris, dude. Welcome. Please be sure to sync up the Patreon, the Discord. Your values in the Discord, dude. Okay. Just like I have to repeat it because we still after every time I'm so annoying about saying join the Discord, sync it up. People are still asking questions like on the Patreon website, messaging us, being like, "What is this, man? Where is everything? This is dumb," or whatever. It's like, nah, dude, it's not. You're just not. You gotta listen. Go to the Discord. We've like brought everything there now. Really easy to navigate everything. Okay. All right, 525 patrons, chat. Still a long way to go to 589, but still there's a lot of time left. But you know, 12th best day to join the Patreon today. So V-Chain, hidden bullish divergence continued. You got even more, man. Impending price action continuation, the upside. Yes, sir. You're getting it, but not by much. This is why, hidden bullish divergence for the 4 hours is good, but it doesn't always. It's not always the best entry for a trade because on 4 hour hidden bullish divergence, you normally don't have help on the daily yet at all. The oscillator is just too hot. Things have already moved up impulses. So you just only have the 4 hour time scale. So when you have that, you may not get the follow through price action that you seek.
Can you take a look at Wave? Greetings from Howland 4.20.
Client, if you want an S coin, it's $10 minimum. Sorry, dude. That's to prevent. Believe me, man. Maybe today isn't crazy, but we had to up the rate. If you want an S coin like Waves, it's It's $10 minimum super chat. Thankfully, people have been only the higher caliber S coins stocks today. Thankfully, there haven't been that many S coin requests today. But if you want an S coin request, dude, we've upped the ante. Sorry, dude. What do you want, man? You know what I mean? Like S coin projects be coming in here tipping $3. Look at this S coin every day. It's like, nah, it's like giving exposure to their S coin. Alright, so anyway, what I was talking about with hidden divergence in the 4 hour is, yeah, it can play out, but it's not gonna, the follow price action you get doesn't guarantee or even give you a higher probability that you're gonna make a higher high than the highest high you had. That's why we want the most beautiful combination, ideal utopian circumstances for us as swing traders is we get classic bullish divergence on the 4 hour. This is hidden. Classic divergence on the 4 hour, and at the same time on the daily we're getting really nice hidden bullish divergence. When you get daily hidden bullish divergence, that means the move, the reversal to the upside or continuation to the upside is going to manifest most likely into much higher prices on higher highs. So that's why the 4 hour here, I'm not like telling people, yeah, it's a great entry, because it may not take you very far because the daily's not showing that. The daily did show hidden bullish divergence down here, and that's where the trade setup came in for patrons, right? You don't have that now, unfortunately, that luxury. So, again, more education. 11,585 on Bitcoin. Let's go, dude. Let's go. We're showing green on the 4 hour. What? 28 minutes till your daily candle close. Imagine being upset about that, too. It's like you just can't be upset. You have no right to be upset. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I mean, if the Mitch Ray TA scrub coin is on waves, still a major S coin. Chainlink number 5. Is it? I'll select it. Never swing trade in a bull market, Poke. What are you talking about? Huh? No, that's like when you always swing trade in bull markets, Poke. Literally inverse what he said, okay? Yeah, look at this Chainlink, dude. Chainlink, number 5. Bitcoin Cash and SV. Roger Ver, get wrecked, dude. Get destroyed. Tether, we're coming for you. The Link army's coming for you. You got a long way to go, though. Now, it's a new echelon. The top 5. What's really the top 4 are just a different league than everything else, right? Where it's like you have to almost double up to get above Tether. This is the perplexing part, right? XRP. And then after that, the men and the boys. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Head and shoulders above the rest. No, Poke, that's literally wrong. Nope. If you don't know what you're doing, sure, but you shouldn't be trading if you don't know what you're doing.
Is that a joint?
It's not trading if you don't know what you're doing. It's just gambling. Degen gambling.
You always call me by name though. Wondering if we can find some different lingo for irrelevant price action or patterns. Kappa, have a good one, man.
Rudy Poo, thanks for 420. Yeah, dude. I do it because it triggers you. I always knew it did. Just kidding. Thanks, man. Different lingo for irrelevant price action or patterns. Irrelevant? I think the word would be irrelevant, right? I think that's appropriate. We use words that mean things. Yeah, dude. H bar back at it. It's up 0.56% today. Meh. Meh, dude. I don't think so. Let's take a look back at that poll. If you didn't know, if you want to participate in it, only 200 of y'all participated. But it's just the question: will Link see $20 before Sunday, or before the weekly candle close, which is Sunday evening? You'll probably want to stick around for that. I mean, you want to be here on Sunday for the weekly candle close, because that could be Bitcoin actually being right. If Bitcoin closes the weekly right now, where we are on price, that's good enough. That's a breakout last week and a back test this week. So you want to be here on Sunday for that weekly candle close stream so we can witness it together. That's why we're here, right? Okay, 217 votes. Who cares, right? So Austin. Is there value? There's been value on EOS and Litecoin. Yep. EOS still hasn't broken out yet, but patience. Patience is required. I mean, look, you're not. You wouldn't be trading. I didn't look. I own Litecoin. I've owned it for like a month and a half, 2 months maybe. I'm not playing the 4 hour of the daily. I'm playing the literal weekly chart, kind of the monthly too. So I'm patient. I think that there's low risk, high reward opportunity on EOS on the weekly. That means like my my outlook in 6 months is favorable, low risk, high reward opportunity on EOS. It was the same on Litecoin. We broke out on Litecoin. EOS hadn't done it yet. So that's the same thing with all the altcoins. We're kind of looking like that, but they all started breaking out, and then a lot of y'all started showing up to the stream for the first time ever. But this isn't new stuff. Fish head, very possible in time, whenever it happens, right? Yes, JJ, that is correct. That is correct, dude. Though a little bit of profit was already taken, right? One target of the trade was hit, and so now we patiently wait for our prices in time. 230 votes. So man, this is like a big old. I mean, this is 56-44. This is a bit of civil war going on in chat. Wow, thanks for the almost 1,400 people tuned in. Thanks for the 547 likes. Chat, we are really close to 33,000 subs on YouTube. Really close. Wow. 21 more subs until 33,000. I think we could do this right now. I think we could lock up 33,000 subs in the stream in the next hour or less. Okay. It's all on y'all though. So if you're out there and you haven't subbed yet, the road to 33K is upon us. What's up, Christian dude? Welcome. Poke, what you're doing is really weird. You're like continuously shilling Link and like trying to make people FOMO into Link right now. If you keep doing it, I'll just ban you, dude. Like, you're not a swing trader. You don't even know what swing trading is based on what you've been saying in the chat. You just need to stop, dude. Okay, stop shilling for a Link that's at $16 plus right now. Don't do it, dude. If you care about chatting in the stream chat, okay, it's on you, dude. Your call. What's up, Nostilium? TJ from Reno, thank you, dude. PWB, Ryer, thanks, dude. Subs. No one's saying that it can't hit all-time highs, but the fact that you're telling people that they're going to miss out on it is you trying to incite people to buy Link at stupidly high prices that's absurd, and I would never recommend that. I would never do that. So keep it up though, man. Keep it up if you want. And also, if you're out there and you care and you want to learn about swing trading, right? Buying at areas of value, low risk, high reward opportunities. Best way to do it, join the Discord. Look, here it is. I'm posting the link right now. Click that. Join us. Over 7,200 members now. And we're growing every day, man. Extremely active. What's up, Travity? So we got less than 20 minutes till your daily candle close. Not a bad one either. Not a bad candle.
Bearish divergence on the daily on the RSI and MACD on BTC.
Dude. Well, so what's happening is like a wave. All right, so you finally lost all your positive Momo on this run, right? So you're negative now. And what could happen? Overwhelmingly bullish conditions. You're holding this channel that you broke out of. You broke it. You're now back testing it as support. If this holds and we get follow the price action, immediately you're going to start tomorrow waning on negative Momo. And I mean, look, dude, you know on the daily on Bitcoin, there's no resistance really until 11,981. I mean, like, once you break 11,463, there's nothing there till 11,981, right? So why this could very well continue to the upside. If that happens, all of a sudden it's like, remember we want separation of our histograms, our islands? So we start going green again on higher prices, and we could be showing that bearish divergence at $13,000+, right? Where you get one big island, you get some negative Momo, and then you get another histogram island over here. And what happens is we be doing this. Sorry. All right, you run up like that. And then by the time we get to 13,000, which is a 1/6/1/8 of extension, confluent with, I think, the 78% reach. I can't remember. There's a lot of confluence at 13K. You know that watching the stream. But like, this is what real bearish divergence on the daily would look like. I don't think this is enough, man. I think it's the same wave kind of. So again, differing opinions. This is why you're watching me. I'm just giving my opinion, man. All right. I don't think it's really that much of bearish divergence right now. I think it's too early. I don't think it's over yet. Nope. Apex, they really did. MicroStrategy FOMO'd in like scrubs, dude. Like, they're retail. They have to be, because they're obviously not part of the Wyckoff reaccumulation that we were witnessing right down here for 10 weeks. Dude, it's like keeping people grounded, man. Gotta keep people grounded, because so many new market participants, people could just make so many dumb, dangerous mistakes, not understanding what Link's doing. We know it could go much higher, of course. But at the same time, if you want to actually trade and do it right, it's a stupid asset to be thinking about taking it long on right now. It's crazy. You're buying, that's like buying gold at 2075, right? Yeah, maybe, Brad. Maybe, dude. Join the Discord or be destroyed. Thank you. So much hype in here. Can we please get some hype in the chat? What's up, Jake? Thank you, dude. 9 more subs till the big 33,000, chat. Let's do this, man. Let's do it. What's up, Dominique, man? Thanks, dude. So, William, invest, roll tide, dude. It's already been addressed. Yep. If you are out there and you're watching and you think that there's a way that you're going to get any clout as an exchange or a crypto project by giving me money, it's not going to happen. I will never have a crypto related sponsorship ever. No amount of money is going to make that change, because my reputation is far greater than any amount of money that you might want to give me. Okay, so just letting you know, the person who inquired on your exchange. You're one. You're not the first. You're not even the 50th, and you certainly won't be the last. But just letting it be publicly known. Don't waste your time even asking, because it's not going to happen, dude. Sorry. And really, where were you even inquiring when we were stuck in a range for freaking 10 weeks? You weren't here inquiring then, were you? Nope. You're just here for the FOMO. You want the FOMO money. You want the poor, unsuspecting FOMO people that are only in crypto because of the price change to the upside. Not much really changes for us here, whether we're in range or not. In before someone leaves the server. You're right. What's up, Majid? Thank you, dude, for the sub. Sidorian, I'm in the chat. Let's go.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Sidorian. Welcome. To the Patreon, be sure to sync up your Patreon to the Discord, man, alright? You got to. It's just mandatory. It's like, if you want the value, the amenities, Discord. And your name, if you're a new patron, in the general chat in the Discord, your name would be green if you did it right. If you got a white name, you don't know what to do, you can always reach out to Brad Fisher. He'll be happy to help. Okay. What I hate about the webcam is, like, I can either have my head's cut off and you can see my shirt, or not, right? It just, there's no winning somehow. I don't know what to do. I might have to figure something out. Just really annoying. Majid, no, not yet, dude. We were at 7 more subs needed for 33,000. Wow. Could we just do Chainlink? No, dude, we already did Chainlink. We're now running out the clock. We got less than 13 minutes until this daily close. Another confirmation above the channel we broke out of. The 10-week large plus channel.
Is that a joint?
But what if we give you $1 million, Dr. Evil Voice? JK, thanks for the teachings, always feeling blessed, being financially independent one day at a time. Chainlink lesson.
License and registration, chicken fucker.
Jensen Huang tipped $59.
It's Jensen Huang!
NVIDIA is proud to announce its sponsorship of TA with Midray. Get wrecked, kit scammers.
What's up, Jensen Huang? Jensen Huang, everyone. If you don't know, that is CEO of NVIDIA, like my favorite company ever. Dude, when's the 3080 Ti coming out? I need it in my life now. Seriously, I think I really do need it. Based on, we push things to the limit with the supercomputer. Thanks, Probes, man, really. What do you think, Probes? Do you think there will be a shirtless stream or not? Because we're sitting at 520... Is it 5? There's 526 patrons.
What's
up, Bill?
Coin, please.
Well, alright. He's paying for it, I guess, chat. He wants Erd S coin, and hey, I love how he actually addresses it in S coin. Elrond, oh yeah, I remember Elrond, dude. I was there 3,000 satoshis ago. Where's Orc coin and Elf coin? Remember Elf coin, chat? Well, let's look it on Binance, man. 10 minutes. Let's see. No edge. No edge on the, I mean, maybe hidden bullish average. You just got all this continuous negative momentum. It's not really reversing or anything. You ran up, attempted a rally, and it's just sucking so far. I mean, I'm sure we could probably draw a trend line here, a channel of some sort, right? Something like this. You're hanging on to a demand line, I guess. Maybe before I'll be showing something too. Nope, that's hidden. That's just bearish convergence right there. I'm not much of an edge, though you are testing. You can clearly see testing a demand line. Maybe you can pivot off that and run again. I don't know. Without an edge, what am I supposed to do, man? Right? We just adjust here. We do 1 and 2. Right? It's just like price contraction. That's a triangle. It could break the downside or upside. Good news is it's above the 200 moving average. So it seems like it's very possible it could rally the upside, just as possible as it could dump to the downside and break down. The trend is your friend. You're at a demand line, but these can break and you can still be in an uptrend. But again, if there was an edge for a swing trade, I'd be like, oh yeah, let's do it, man. Hidden bullish divergence with a dragon or something. It's not, right? It's pretty neutral, even though it's a nice uptrend so far on Elrond. Thank you, Belly Button Len. I really wish there was an edge to talk about. Right, I wish there was an edge like there was in RLC, another S coin, or what was it, Smorgasbord coin or whatever, Swissborg Connect. Invobit, yeah, EOS position long, yep, long and strong until we see $5. Yep, minimum. Are we gonna do this, man? Are we there? 5 more YouTube subscribers for 33,000, really? So I guess everyone here is subscribed. Or they're hate watching, one or the other, right? How was that again, though? 3,000 is good, man. Let's go. It's a weird question. Promotion. Yeah. I don't know, man. 4 more. But then after that, we need a confirmation. Thanks again, Jensen Wong. Good to see you, dude. It's what a day. Did you check your portfolio today, Jensen Wong? Probst? If you didn't, man, you should check it. It's probably good things are coming. What's up, Bo? College football wrecked. Come on, dude. Let's be real. If the Big Ten and the Pac-12 opt out, it's really not going to change much. The only person in those only team in those two conferences that even had a real unbiased chance of maybe only making it to the playoffs, maybe winning a title, is Ohio State. That's it. Pac-12, literally 0 teams. I'm sorry, probes. But you got to be real too. 0 teams, Pac-12, are worthy for playoffs. They miss out every year. They never go, dude. Okay. Big Ten, normally the same thing except for Ohio State. Except for them. That's it, dude. No one else had a chance. So go ahead, and here come the Big Ten people upset, but it's track record, man. It's actually just looking at recent history and talking about that.
Truly CEO? Can't find a pic of her Truly brand, the drink?
AJ Productions thinks at 5. Truly CEO. It's not Truly. Truleave. Truly is not a thing.
Preach.
What's up?
Is that a joint?
Grub man. Hey, it's real, dude. Just being real. Michigan, come on, man. I knew that was going to be there. Matthew D is not even saying it.
Some of them there, Verges/XVG. Go Tigers.
Oh yeah, go Joe. Should I do the Verge in Coach O's voice? Thanks so much, man. I don't want to look at it, but we will. Okay. Actually, it was okay. Downtrend, you broke out. I think you did anyway, right? Was it a wedge? Looked like a wedge. Pretty nice wedge. What? It was like that. False breakout. Then we adjust. You broke out. Nope. I gotta adjust. So it's really not. I mean, how is it a wedge? I guess it's a wedge in the end. You know.
Long time holder of hitting TA edge. Low volume stock.
Simbies, I don't know. We'll try to check it out. Thanks, dude. The vibe. Oh my god, it's a wedge on verge, man. Okay, so if this thing's actually gonna hit targets, man, how do we target? We use Fibonacci from the high point to the low point here. Alright, this is Cocho talking at you. Well, unfortunately, man, you're already near the first target, 76 sats. Friggin' hooligans, man. I mean, this is how we trade stocks, man. If you have a wedge, 50% 618, easy. But if you're talking about 100% measured move, we could do that too, I guess. There's not even 5 touches on this, really, man. So it's not even a valid wedge. It's just a channel breakout, and so that's okay. All right, from a breakout, 100% measured move, it's a 886. 88.86% retrace. Okay, man, thanks so much. Are we cool? Belly button? No, that's not belly button. That's for, Who was that for, man? That was for Coach O. Duh. Hey, Jason Jordan, dude.
Bruh.
Thanks for the 10 super chat. We got less than 4 minutes until your daily candle close. Not too bad. Did we do it, man? Alright, look. If you want to join the Discord, here's the link, dude. The link. Just spammed it. If you don't join now, what are you going to do? Alright, so it's looking like 33,000 subscribers on the dot now. So we can't really celebrate until we get a few more, I guess. Isn't that how it works? I don't know, man. I just, thanks for the 1,400 people still tuned in. This stream's been live for about 2 hours now. Look on it, oh my god, man. Yeah, Truly is a White Claw. Yeah, that's not what it is. True Leave. The really, really, really good looking CEO. JC Fiscus, yeah, I did. Sure. You know, channel, wedge, whatever, man, right? Sorry, I'm gonna have to refresh my catch in a second. It's like busted. So you got targets, conservative ones, and more loose ones if you're drunk on verge. I typed in the ticker you requested and nothing showed up, dude. Simbies, dude. WDOOF is nothing. Unless you're talking about WDOFF, which we've already been here before. Up thrusted through the top of the huge rising wedge pattern. Like, my god, it's ridiculous. It's crazy, dude. Super scary, man. Is this a... No, not yet. Oh, it's just rising wedge, but... Oh, man, look who just joined the Patreon, man. Hey, I know you. I know this guy. Waiting for the Jesus Jones. Target, I mean, you're still inside the structure, so, I mean, if you ever break 9/11, dude, look out. Look out, you could see eventually, like, previous high from August 2019, you could see that eventually. But if it's really done here, right, if, like, we're not going to pivot and run again or something, and it's actually going to sell off to target here, you just hit a 236 for the first time today. Let's go. Kevin Grubb up in chat, let's go. Welcome back, dude. Good to see you again.
Is that a joint?
College football Jesus, man.
Bruh.
Cheers. At some point, when things cool down, we will have a meetup. Probably going to be in Vegas. But, you know, we got to wait till it actually is going to be enjoyable to do a meetup. We can always do like a freaking, you know, Colorado mountain meetup or something, you know, that'd be cool. But it wouldn't be like, you know, I want to do something that's social. We're in a social environment. Whatever. All right, so for this, if it actually played out, which I don't know, it's connected to gold, right? 50% retrace, 755, first target. Second target. And we have a new day upon us. 618. So 672 and 755 are your just common targets for a Rising wedge, if it ever broke out, okay, your targets.
Bruh.
Famous James, oh my god, I'm a Cheddar score. Is that James Winston? Whoa.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Alright, Jesus Chimes, a new day has been born, man. We did it. Go to the daily, you see, we have back tested the old channel that we were in, like gold, as support. I think that's good. I think that's not bad. So, 33,000 subs on YouTube now. Thank y'all so much. 527 patrons strong now. Really, really appreciate it, everyone. Overwhelming support. I mean, solid.
Love this stream. EOS is still looking solid, right?
If you're looking at the weekly, sure, it's fine. It's fine on the weekly. Anything else, I'm not playing that. I'm playing a position trade on EOS.
Smiley face.
EDC? What is... Oh, EDC Las Vegas is a music festival? Oh, that'd be cool. Imagine thinking that that is actually going to happen. May of 2021 still seems like it's possible. We may not. All that stuff will be canceled still. I hope not, but... just don't know. J-Ben, you're famous Jameis. You just doxed yourself, dude. You'll change your... Yeah, it's always good if you're a patron to have your Patreon name in the Discord the same as the YouTube name. That really helps me out. But again, at the same time, 527 patrons, really tough, you know? Something's going on. Yep. That's kind of it. Brad, I got you. Oh, Matthew D unsub, man. Reheat. Is Link real? Yeah, Link is real. We did a poll. Will we see $20 by Sunday? You can vote. You can exercise your right if you want. Just post to the poll. Here it is. What's up, Spinby? Alright, man, just remember, what's the context here on Bitcoin on the daily? There's no resistance. There's zero literal resistance on Bitcoin until 11,981 again. That's it. The support was 11,463 on the weekly. You held it. Now you're above it with a candle close confirmation on the daily. So you just think, I mean, like, unless just it's going to fall back below 11,463, it might back test that, but you think where we are now, the only thing above you is not where we are at 11,583. It's at 11,981. I'm just telling you that support resistance, how it works, man. Okay, so eventually we could float on, meander on up to test that again. And if you do that, then you're really going to start working on hidden bullish divergence like immediately, which is crazy, dude. Dash cam? What are you talking about, dude? You talking to me? I sure hope not. Ethereum to me still looks really good. Like very promising. I mean, there's an edge. There's a 4-hour edge on Ethereum for upside potential. 389.16 is a monthly high close. Super sneaky from September 2017. You break that, man. Well, you're just starting to show positive Momo again, hidden bullish divergence or classic bullish divergence. You could be off, man. No, I can't. Any S coins, $10 minimum, dude. Baton, sorry, man. Thanks for the super chat, though.
Can you
It's
look at
a
the
new rule.
BTC pair PLS? Cup in the handle weekly this S coin.
If you say Texas is greater than Alabama in football, you're literally a Texas fan. That's it, dude. That's your bias. I think objectively, everyone would say, come on, dude. Based on history, national championships, SEC titles, coaches, dynasties, anyone objectively is going to say Bama greater than Texas. But any Texas fan is going to say, of course, Texas greater than Bama. All right, dude, in football. Okay. Yeah, and this isn't being mean. This is just real. Come on, dude. And don't be mad, dude. Don't be mad. Calling it out. Well, Bradford, continue to make your executive decision, dude. Full mustache having the chat at school.
Is that a joint?
Thank you, Mr. Mustache. Really, really appreciate it. Welcome. Please be sure to sync up your Patreon to Discord, dude. And that I think it's 529 patrons strong now. Wow, dude. Still very far away. We're not hitting 589. Like, again, if we hit 589 patrons, I'll be doing a literal shirtless stream. Because that's how confident I am that we will not see 589 patrons this month. I know it. I am almost certain. Just reading chat now, losing their minds. Rose Towers, you mean Rose Towers that was once a thing has been bulldozed? I watched it live. It was on live on YouTube. They demolished Rose Towers events years ago. What's up, Josh Dennis? Thanks for the sub, dude. Is it really sad? Come on, dude. They've added really nice buildings all over the place since then. Who cares? Rose Towers, man. That had been around since like the 70s or 80s, dude. So, Eric, yeah. Shirtless will be legit. Sam T, I think you want it, dude. But it's not happening. It's literally not going to happen. So this is Ethereum just butting up against that historical monthly high from September of 2017. Talking 3 years ago is where you are right now. Austin Lee, that'd be awesome, dude. So fun to watch. So freaking good. Your friend that's a girl is telling you to join just to torture me into being shirtless. Well, again, okay, now you're gonna be. That's like 50 more patrons. It's not happening. Mike, I don't know, dude. I mean, okay, I was only saying that because someone literally said that Texas was greater than Bama, like in football. I like the Big 12, and I think it would be really cool if they, play, and we could have a Power 3 conference, and then, if things all stay the same way, if it goes well, we just have a big Power 3 conference forever, and then that's it, dude. Change the rules. And how's it going to feel for the Big Ten, the Pac-12? Spencer, that's so, like, not true. Dude, I gotta go to the bathroom now. Coffee went through me. What's going on? Oh, dude, I've been live for over 2 hours at this point. I post Johnson & Johnson anywhere. I mean, a while back. I don't think I've added an updated chart on J&J, but it looks so good, man. I'll try to post that. We're at 389.10. We're testing at Bitcoin 11,587, close to 11,589. You get that right. But just so impressive, the price action we received last night. I'm telling you, dude, it was over a 12-hour period. Bitcoin's price action, the pivots, all the buyers that just kept buying Bitcoin once it fell below that critical 11,380 area. The upsloping support resistance from the channel we have been in for 10 weeks, we're out of it. And confirming today that we're out of it. Here goes Link. All-time highs. Here come the beeps. Beeps for everyone. Sweet mother of God, chat. And of course, right? Of course, my alert is set up stupid. By default, I don't know why I have to keep changing that. Can you hear me? Anybody? Bueller? We got you, Crypto Messias. Yeah, it was midpoint of the stream, I think. 11,589 on Bitcoin. Let's go, dudes. Let's go. XRP people in the house. Kappa. How was that real? It must be just the exchange on Tezos. Yeah, dude, this one just right out the gate up 2%. Monero also up 2% on the new day. IOTA's up 1% on the new day. Dang, getting some immediate price action, which we seldom get. It's so rare, man. It does happen, like, sometimes, like, in the first 4-hour candle, but not, like, you know, right after. CVS. Yeah, it was like inverse head and shoulders with a scam wick, and it's still fine. It's still crazy, dude. I guess my work didn't save or something. I don't even know, man, about scam wick. Didn't even exist on my chart. Looking at it, dude. I don't even know where my work is. Here. Still looks great, man. Survived earnings. It almost filled a gap, but not quite. A couple days ago, maybe it was just yesterday. So it's still okay. You remember target for CVS? If it plays out 100%, right? Like it broke out, false breakout, premature breakout. That's okay, but you know, 100%. Measure move just happens to be literally the same as the June 5th high. Wow, how about that? How TA Tetris connect? You know it, man. Problem is, though, the trend is bearish. For multiple years, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So you run up here, that might play out, but eventually you get it. You reverse the downside. Just remember Bitcoin, where you are above 11,463, there's nothing there until 11,900. Or what was it, 11,000? I just said it freaking a minute ago. 11,981, okay. Oh my god. Diedrich Chavez, I'm in the chat, let's go.
that a joint?
Thank you, dude. Please be sure to sync up the Patreon to Discord, man. Much love. 528 patrons. Inching up there, chat. Target 589, Kappa. Tesla's moving up a little bit. Well, I mean, ongoing trades. Trade is still live, despite movement to the upside and downside. You only hit one target of the 3, so what does that tell you? If the macro remains strong, Bitcoin is going to rally up and see 11,981 again because there's no resistance until then, really, then yeah, Tesla's and all the others got a chance to keep on climbing. May not happen all at the same time, but because we know how that works. Where when Bitcoin rallies, only a handful will follow Bitcoin with nice price action. The rest will sell off or do nothing, right? Super Supreme, did you ever get the Discord synced up, dude? I hope so, man. Because that's the value. I know you were having concerns. But if you got it synced up, I'm sure there's no issues now. Yeah, again, Famous James, it's always best to, you know, have the same YouTube name as your Patreon or Discord name. It's always easiest for me, right? SAMT, yeah. Well, I mean, whatever on the, I'm not even worried about the daily. I'm looking at the weekly SAMT, and that's the way I've been looking at Litecoin. Serving well. It just took a little while, man. $389 Ethereum, 595, 11,595 on Bitcoin, dude. Very good.
It's China to me, China. China.
Johnson & Johnson, please.
We're gonna look at Johnson & Johnson, dude. Well, like, crypto's actually doing something right now, man. Hold on, let me go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. We'll figure it out. I mean, talking about an edge, man, there wasn't so much of one on Bitcoin as there is Ethereum. So what does that tell you? We know Ethereum moves with Bitcoin, right? And it's a higher multiplier.
Edge on BTC.
I'll be right back. Thanks, dude. Hit the like button, the bell, let's up. Let's go. Hello? Is this thing on? Sound check, music levels, are they adequate? Bitcoin's kind of going 11,630, highest side of the new day. Remember, there's just no resistance, man. I mean, like, okay, sure, it could reverse anywhere, but if you're just talking about technical analysis on Bitcoin, 11,981, man, where we are, it's just like, sure, dude, just go ahead and randomly reverse somewhere before then. Sure, go ahead, dude. But yeah, altcoins across the board are showing some life, where Maker's already up 2.3% on the new day. 0x, man. I don't know, man. Some of these, I gotta change up the exchanges because, like, some are closing at universal time, most of them, and then, like, there are a handful that aren't. They're like, I don't know, when their daily candle closes at a different time than the other ones. It's weird. All right, so we got Ethereum trying to break that monthly candle high close from September of 2017. 3 years ago, dude. You're getting back above that critical point only after confirming, not once, but twice, that what was once resistance, that June 26, 2019 high is now support. It was once resistance, is now support twice, with consecutive higher lows, bullish pin bar, bullish convergence divergence, or hidden bullish divergence. They both draw the same conclusion. They both mean we're going up next, not down, if the TA is respected on Ethereum. Okay? It only works if Bitcoin goes up. JMub, I think so, unless something changed. Yeah, 33,005 subs, so I'll feel a little bit more comfortable when we get a few more. That's right, flipping resistance to support all over the place. Yes, sir. That's so good, man. I mean, just remember to reiterate on Ethereum, this trend line here is visible on the weekly. It's the highest point of the entire 2019 rally. The highest point. Look, right here, support again. This is, what is that? That's the confirmation line of the double bottom. The double bottom the size of Jupiter. What's up, dude? Thanks for the sub. Man, hold on. Let me refresh the catch here. Bye-bye, tip jar. So dumb. So this isn't a joke, though. Yeah, the sharks there. The good news about the bear shark pattern is there's no divergence. It's only a pattern. So in historical context, it's maybe far greater than a shark, because if you look left, there's no resistance really at all. There's a wick, but that's traders set it up. Again, I already have it plotted and I've already talked about it. So, but yeah, pinged patrons on a potential idea for reward risk and, target 459, 460. 2 more patrons till 530. Let's go, dude. The road to 589. Brad, do you see what Diedrich said? Posted a little bit above in the live chat. Dang, man. There's some big buy orders a few minutes ago. Dude, Crypto Pepe Sylvia, what do your memes even mean, dude? They're not even relevant to anything. Yeah, J&J looks tasty. We covered it, and it's like I own that. And I think a lot of patrons own that too, and we're waiting. And eventually, I think we're going to be soon getting the major breakout, finally, of a 3-year large trading range or more. Yeah, it's coming, dude. Johnson & Johnson. Collect dividends while you wait too. 11,644 Bitcoin. I mean, there's just no, where we are is just not much resistance, though it could reverse. Sorry, Josh. It happens, man. We're like 2 hours, 22 minutes in the stream, and the only reason I'm kind of still here is because of price action, right? I mean, we're actually getting something a little bit, not too much, but could turn into something because, I mean, of where we are. Nominathine, thanks, dude. Chicken tendies falling from the sky. Yeah, man. Go to Bitcoin. As you can see, it's held that support so well. So crazy, man. It's so magnificent that it was tested for 12 hours and traders never settled up below it once, and you only got huge rejection wicks. It's so good.
Microsoft, por favor. If you already looked at it, then Algorand, please.
Now look at Microsoft, dude. We're just in extended coverage because of price action, remember? So it's like request show for 2 hours, and then it changes kind of to these assets that are moving. The market's closed on Microsoft. Nice bounce. Hey, you bounced the June 23rd high, right? Bounce, and you ran up today. Very good. So this could continue on. I mean, next target on Microsoft is 215. Going right back up to these highs. That's your next target. Okay, gap filled. What do you even want, man, on the gap fill? Perfect. What's going on, Link? Blue sky breakout? No resistance? Except psychological. Dude, Link just confirmed off a psychological resistance a break hook and go confirmation. If that, how is that even real life? That's so good. I mean, that's stupid bullish, super bullish, whatever. There you go, Microsoft. Major uptrend, bullish Garley continuation. Good one, Wolfman. Build a gap, and we're going again. So we'll see you at 215. Assuming the macros stay strong. Qs, all that. If you know anything about Bitcoin, man, looking left, there's nothing here. I mean, yeah, you got local highs now just created, 11.8 and 11.8 again, right? They're just both 11.8s. They could play a role as a resistance, but we're talking like major historical looking left resistance. 11,981 is the next target, dude. I'm sorry, it's been that way, right? Once you broke it right here, where'd you go? Straight up to 11,981. What happened here? You got really close before finally getting back up to that resistance again. It's really ugly. Like, Bitcoin's really ugly on the 4 hour. Like, its structure is so messed up, dude. But if anything, you just think about accumulation and kind of a sell wall at 12K, which is ascending triangle behavior. Accumulation and a sell wall. You can kind of visualize it, even though when I try to plot it, it looks so ugly, man. That's why I don't have it plotted. Thank you, Famous Champions. Awesome, dude.
Bruh.
Don't be a stranger in the Patreon chat, dude. Ask questions. You want to learn stuff. You invest in yourself. That's why you should join the Patreon, to invest in yourself. I mean, supporting stream's good. But you do it because you want to become a self-reliant trader. Yeah, Crypto Collector. No, dude. Crypto Collector, the monthly. Ethereum monthly chart looks the best. Way better than the weekly. Even though the weekly looks good, the monthly is to Jesus, man. And it's been that way for months. Forever. For too long. We get anything on Tezos? Is it real? Live trade? Doesn't look like it. No. What's wrong with it? It's like frozen, dude. What's going on here? This is like broken, dude. Oh, it's because Bitfinex is down and I've been using Bitfinex. Aha. He's... Right? Isn't that true? Let's just go to the Coinbase chart. I don't think I ever looked at the Coinbase chart. Yeah, dude. Target's going to be the same. Yeah, very nice. 440. Alright, look. Target's 473, 474, whatever. On this exchange, it might be a couple cents off the trade setup. But, yeah, dude. Mooning. Yeah, I think eventually 430 or 473 is easily achievable, and then a 515 out of that, and then 575. You're lucky, man. Wow. Remember, it was a broadening top pattern we broke out of. Dang, was it even on this one? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. There you go, broadening top. 100% measure move hit. You're kind of still right at that 100% measure move, so no edge really. I mean, people will be like, it's bearish divergence, but dude, you have no idea how high this could go before it actually starts waning on positive Momo. It could just be the beginning, where we eventually do see first or the second and third targets of the trade setup get hit and higher, right? Especially if Bitcoin really wants to see that 11,981 area, because it's the only real major resistance next. Why is it not possible? Why could this not hit those targets? Gorgeous. What a trade, man. To Jesus trade. But yeah, right now, Bitfinex is down, chat. Get wrecked. KNC up 1% on a new day. Patience. You're about to go positive on momentum again. Very good, right? Easily achievable. 195, 205 targets, and then above that, 270. You want a third target as a patron? You're in this 227, man. That's it. Blondes. I'm literally not. Literally not. You're shadow banned. Wow, 700 likes. Thank y'all so much. Nearly 1,300 of y'all here. That's a lot, man. I really appreciate it. Good one, Mike. I don't know, dude. I think it's probably maintenance. Oh, they were saying that there was irregularities, like the efficiency of... Oh, here comes Ethereum. Mahler just went off on it. What? Yeah, KNC, dude. Plenty of room to run to the upside. Hasn't quite started yet, but we know how KNC works, right? It doesn't do very well when Bitcoin does well. But when Bitcoin does nothing or sells off some, KNC actually does pretty well. So here we are, Ethereum. 390. Right, finally getting back above that crazy resistance on the monthly. Very, very good. What's up, Bitcoin boy, man? Well, Diedrich, you should be in the Discord already, and you should be in a PM private message with Brad Fisher. Not you shouldn't be trying to figure it out in the live chat right now. Doesn't make too much sense. It's not very efficient. But you'll be good. We'll figure it out. Yeah, we know it doesn't. I'm just going to get rid of the Discord link, I think, forever in my description. Just gonna make it check the live chat. Yeah, look, Brad just spammed the Discord link, dude, so I'll do it too. All right, 391 on Ethereum. Let's go. Session highs, dude. Above all major resistance. I mean, I'm sorry. This high already at 397, manufactured. Right, he was manufactured on the 8th of August, man. Bitcoin's at 11,643. Again, no resistance to $11,891, man. Don't get mad at me. Yeah, we got Clemson fans in here, FedCoin. Yeah, Chargers, man. Rite Aid set poised for much, much higher prices, dude. For sure. I think CJ posted something in respect to TA chat about Walgreens, so that makes sense, right? The whole sector could be poised for upside, right? Could see that. Oh, they're getting crazy? Era random, they're getting crazy. The order book. Whatever. I'm just sticking around, dude, because like Bitcoin's near its highs the new day. I mean, I love how Bitcoin and Ethereum on the 4 hour to set up for higher prices, where it's just like the whole stage is set on the oscillators. Like Bitcoin hasn't even seen positive momentum yet. It's about to go positive, either on this candle or the next one, if things keep going the same way. What's up, Calvin? Thanks, man. Appreciate it a lot. Aaron Baker up in the chat, let's go.
Is that a joint?
Aaron Baker, thanks so much, man. Bitcoin. Highs of the day, 11,653.53. Very, very good. Ethereum 391. Still, let's go back to Bitcoin for a second. I'm adding another alert maybe if we start really getting stuff on Ethereum. Takes like a year, dude. While I like looking at Ethereum more, it's because its structure is a little bit better than Bitcoin's, but it follows Bitcoin almost identically, right? So, anyway, trying to engulf. You got 3 hours, 19 minutes though, but this is what I was talking about. If you look down on the oscillator, it's about to go positive, so we could get another big histogram island like this on price action. Very real possibility. Trend is extremely bullish, man, and there's no real resistance to 11,091. I'm tired of saying it, man. That's right, Kevin. Let's go. 11,657. We got highs of the day. Yeah, highs of the day. Not of the week though, right? Yeah, it's got to be highs of the week, right? I'm thinking, no, it is not the highs of the week. Sorry. Is there a square up? If there was a square up, would probably be, not really. I mean, you think maybe at 11,850 if there was one? Feel like you're on the beach with this song. Can barely even hear it. LNP, let's go, dude. State Street, me too. State Street, Army, dude. Really keep my eye on Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. These matter the most. I acquired more of a position in Ethereum today. Patrons know that. In Ethereum, and it's already up, man. It's up almost what, $10? Hey, look, it's the edge. It's the historical context. It's the bullish pin bar. It's the divergence, convergence, hidden divergence. Too bullish. Too many things we're saying up next, not down. Is the music too loud though? Chat, let me know. 2 hour and 40-minute live stream, by the way, so I don't know how much longer I'll be live, but just covering this very small move up. It's not violent or anything. It's kind of methodical. Not violent. A violent move up would be great, but it doesn't always happen. Music's good. We're good on audible levels. Dark day, one day, man. One day. Alright, dude, I don't even know, man. I'm just like, probably time to go cook some dinner. Maybe do a little more exercise or something, you know, this evening. And if, like, you know, Bitcoin was to really start going off of what we're doing now, which is very possible because there's no resistance, I might come back. I'll be back. The shirt only comes off if we get 589 patrons this month, which seems impossible because we're only at 529. So that's too many patrons to go. Seeing you have your dinner. I don't know. Don't get cocky, kid. Don't get cocky, boy. Element of P, yeah. It's been 84 years for Johnson & Johnson Connect. Yes, but that's okay. It really is okay, man. Because now it is time. Something upon. Or got to. Alright, keep your eye on it. Bitcoin and Ethereum have broken resistance again. They're back above the critical areas. And for Ethereum, there's nothing really to the local high at 397, I think, was it? Yeah, 397. But really, it's like, you know, kind of 407. And then Bitcoin, there's where we are now, there's not much of anything until 11,981. Anything's possible. You could pump here, you could sell off and back test 11,463 for the first time after breaking it. That could happen, but not looking bad right now. Not at all. Good song to end it on. Open Your Heart by Astroleaf. Thank you so much for the likes, love, support, contributions, all the new patrons, all the current patrons, the patrons of old. You're amazing. We got some decent stuff going on in the crypto sphere after yesterday's certain bamboozling. We're okay. I'll be back. Till next time, respect the T. A. What, Dabo? Whoever wins it, wins it? He doesn't believe the absence of the two Power 5 teams matters either. Let's go, Dabo. Go for...
Bruh. Bruh.
Is this your homework, Larry? Is that a joint?
I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I have some evidence Van Bear Pig could be in this area.
Adios, turd nuggets.